If you're just starting out and you're a beginner trader, listen up because most traders make some costly mistakes. And trust me, I've been there. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 things you must completely avoid if you want to actually make money in the stock market and not risk blowing your account. Now listen, avoid these 4 things and you will be ahead of 90% of traders. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So first things first, make sure you have a pen and paper because you already know note takers are money makers. All right, guys? So as an elementary school teacher of over 15 years, knowledge and getting to education is one of the biggest things that I love, okay? So when I started out my journey as a trader, I was just wanting to consume lots of knowledge, right? Lots of information. And what I quickly realized that it got really overwhelming. It got really overwhelming really quick. I don't know if some of y'all might be feeling that way. But guys, the thing that you need to do and avoid is not acquiring the basic knowledge. Avoid not having basic knowledge. What I mean by that, and I've experienced this talking to a lot of individuals on the internet and, on social media, is that you say you're a trader, but you don't have the basic skills of support and resistance, risk management, using a strategy. So these things are going to mess you up as a trader if you do not have the basic knowledge, okay? And that's really what birthed Boss Up Academy, is the fact that I realized that a lot of individuals do not have the basic skills, and it's not their fault, right? It's just what was out there, what's available. So in the academy, it's focused on your academics, right? Your ability to acquire the skill of options trading in such a way that it's easily accessible and broken down. So simple, a 5th grader can do it because I was a 5th grade teacher. Okay, guys? So if you're interested in the academy, make sure you check out the Discord below, or just go ahead and text Discord to this number right here. Let's go on to number 2. So a trader without a strategy is like a ship without a compass. You're going to be lost, right? So guys, if you do not have a plan, you plan to fail. So this leads me to number 2. Avoid not having a plan. Oh my goodness. And if you're unsure, I'm so glad you're here watching this right now. So what your plan would do for you as a trader, it would have it laid out that you would know when you're going to be entering into a trade, when you're going to exit out of a trade, where you're going to take your first profit, your second profit. You're also going to have a good idea of your risk to reward ratio, and you're also going to be aware of the specific stocks that you trade. Can I tell you, if you have that laid out, guys, you are going to be literally increasing your success rate like instantly by having a plan, and also lowering your stress level. How crazy would it be if you just go on a road trip and you don't know where you're going? Like, that's stressful, right? So that's like what you're doing if you're trading without a plan. You're throwing your money in the market and hoping for success. Y'all write this down. Hope is not a position. We don't ever hope when our money is involved. You worked really hard for it. So the best way you can do to avoid blowing up your account and actually making money is to have a plan or a strategy. And if you don't have one, go ahead and borrow mine. All right, let's go on to number 3. So I hope you're enjoying this video thus far, guys, and I hope you're getting something from it. All right, so if you are, make sure you give me a thumbs up and help me get this video to 1,000 likes. If you have not subscribed, why have you not? You're already halfway through the video. I know you're gonna like the rest of it, so go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate you so very much. All right, let's go into number 3. So we're talking about what we're avoiding, and I want you to avoid using an indicator solely as your holy grail. Can I tell you this? Ooh, indicator creators might not like this, but one indicator is not going to make you a millionaire. Whoa. It's just not. It's just not. Can I tell you something? Indicators are toppings. To your sundae, right? They're toppings. There's added little gems that give you a better idea if the trade can go in your favor. Can I tell you what the foundation is? Can I tell you what you go to the ice cream shop for? Your strategy. That is the foundation of your trading. Your strategy is what you need to build on in regards to the indicator. So once you have your strategy, then the indicators will help add on to your decision into getting into a trade, or when to get out of a trade. Okay, so indicators are not supposed to be your sole holy grail or reasoning for getting into a trade, or the only thing that you use when trading. Your strategy is where you start. Indicators are building to help you. All right, let's go on to number 4. Number 4, I might hurt some feelings right here, but it is what it is. Your girl, I'm here to help you. I love teaching. This is my passion. So you might need to hear this message, and I'm glad to tell you that Avoid coming into the market right away and believing you're going to be a millionaire. It's the truth, guys. It's the truth. You need to understand that it is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a skill. Being a doctor is a skill. You have to go to school for 10 plus years to become a doctor to have that earning potential. So the fact that individuals want to come on and start trading and instantly become a millionaire, guess what it does? It makes you chase the money. It makes you focus on the dollar bills and avoid the skill. And what is going to get you to the dollar bills is the skill. Oh, that rhymes. What's going to get you to the dollar bills is the skills. I like that. And it's true. You know, we want to skip forward, but guys, that is not going to give you longevity. That's not going to give you that financial freedom that you want, that generational wealth that we all talk about, that abundance that we know we deserve, right? It's not going to happen in a week, in a month. But what it will happen is when you have acquired the skill and made it your own and respected the market and understood that you can do this, but you have to put in the work. And the work can be simple if you have a simple strategy. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out the description box below for all the information in regards to the Discord. And if you have not done so yet, make sure you give me a thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to make all kinds of video when it comes to options trading and your success journey. Okay, guys, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed rest of the year. Bye.